This is how to drive and start up a T6 New Holland tractor. So you put your steering wheel down where you want it. Then you let the lights turn on. And once they shut off, oh, the key's being real dumb. Hold down the clutch. And it starts up. Then to go forward, you push this thing forward to go forward. Then to go backwards, you push it all the way down. And then there's different gear ranges over here. There's A, B, C, and D. And there's numbers. And this is a shift up and down. And then there's the throttle, climate controls, radio, all sorts of stuff. It's really simple once you get to drive it. But that's how you do it.